Hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss in a very simple way about ChatGPT. After watching this video you'll be able to know about ChatGPT, its use, its way to use and much more. Before we start the video, I'll request you all to subscribe my channel and help us grow as we are new to YouTube. Let's start with the question, what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a very special computer program that can talk to people just like you and me. But instead of using words from its own brain, it has been taught by many people all around the world. You see, ChatGPT is what we call a language model. That means it has been trained to understand and use human language, just like you are learning to use language as you grow up. But while you are learning from your parents, teachers, and friends, ChatGPT has been learning from all kinds of written text, like books, articles, and even websites. When you talk to ChatGPT, it uses all that learning to try to understand what you are saying, and to give you a good answer. It's kind of like having a very smart friend who has read a lot of books and can help you with your questions. But what makes ChatGPT really special is that it can talk to lots of people at once, all over the world. That's because it lives on the internet, which is like a giant network of computers that can talk to each other. So when you talk to ChatGPT, you're not just talking to one computer. You're talking to all the computers that help run the internet. Now, you might be wondering how ChatGPT can understand so many different languages and styles of writing. Well, that's because it has been trained in a way that's similar to how you learn to read and write. When you first learn to read, you start with simple words and sentences, and then gradually learn more and more complex ones. ChatGPT works the same way. It started by learning basic language rules, and then moved on to more complicated ones. But there's one more thing that makes ChatGPT really unique. It can even create its own language. That might sound strange, but it's true. When ChatGPT is asked a question or given a prompt, it uses all its knowledge to come up with an answer, just like a human would. But sometimes, it comes up with an answer that uses words or phrases that it has never seen before. And if that answer is good enough, it might start using those new words or phrases in its future responses. So there you have it. ChatGPT is a special computer program that has been taught by many people all around the world, and can talk to lots of people at once. It uses all its knowledge to try to understand your questions and give you good answers. And sometimes, it even creates its own language. ChatGPT is helpful in many ways, especially because it can quickly provide information and answer questions in a conversational way. Let me give you a few examples of where ChatGPT can be used. Customer service. Many companies use ChatGPT to provide customer service through their websites. If you have a question or problem with a product, you can type your question into a chat window and ChatGPT will try to provide you with a solution. Education. ChatGPT can also be used to help students learn. For example, if a student is studying for an exam and has a question about a particular topic, they can ask ChatGPT and get a quick response. Personal assistance. ChatGPT can also act as a personal assistant, helping you with tasks like setting reminders, making appointments, and even ordering food. If you're a beginner and want to use ChatGPT, it's actually quite easy. You can start by finding a website or app that has a chat feature powered by ChatGPT. Then, simply type your question or request into the chat window and ChatGPT will respond. For example, if you're using a customer service chat, you might type, "I'm having trouble with my order. Can you help me?" And ChatGPT will provide you with troubleshooting steps or connect you with a representative. Or, If you're using ChatGPT as a personal assistant, you might type "Remind me to call my mom at 2 p.m." and ChatGPT will set a reminder for you. Overall, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be used in many different ways to make our lives easier and more efficient. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let us know about your response in comments and tell about the topics that you'll like to understand in an easy and effective way. Stay tuned with us for more useful videos.